Hi everyone, welcome to the third tutorial of ArcGIS Pro. Today you will learn how to view and edit the attribute table in the ArcGIS Pro. I hope you will find it easy to follow. Let's get started. So go to catalog and then project, and then go to the folder of your project, right click and then new feature class. I'm creating a feature class and I'm going to name it demo, and feature type polygon, then finish, right click, and then demo. You can see here, double click here and you can change the color from here, and go to edit and create features. Click here, and for example I'm creating a polygon feature from the base map. I think it is a water body and building or forest. Go to catalog and then double click on demo. If we want to just keep the outline, then click here, go to properties and then outline color. You can change the outline color. I'm keeping it red and click apply. Yes, outline color has been changed. Click clear. Yes, and right click and go to attribute table, and you can edit attribute table and you can add more fields here. If you click here, you will go to of your drawn polygon. Just click here and it will take to your drawn polygon. Yes, and if you want to clear, then just click on clear and then save all edits. And if you want add more field, just click here, add field, and just write here the field name. I'm going to write it as type, and then data type text. You will find here several options for text. Just select text, and if you want more field, then again go to your feature class and then click in add, and just in field name you have to write the name. I'm going to write the name number, and data type float, as it is numeric. So I have added two field, and save your edits. It is numeric, the last one. You can see here the new field type and number, and now you can just click here and you can change the type and number as well. For example, this is water body, so I'm going to write it water body, and I'm giving a random number here. Just click here, it will take to your drawn polygon. Yes, and in this way you can edit and add a field in attribute table. And this is a settlement for example. Just click here and you will find your drawn polygon. It is forest, I think. Yes, this is the way to edit attribute table, and then save. Yes, you can see here. So close attribute table, and if you want to show your created feature class, then go to symbology and primary symbology, unique values. Yes, type, as I renamed named it as type. So you can see here forest, settlement, and outer body. It has been added in the content, and if you want to change the color, then just double click. Yes, you can change the color. Settlement, there are so many shape. Double click here and you can change the color. And outer body, click here and you can change it at any color. So this is the way you can add more field in attribute table and can edit attribute table. I think you find it very helpful. Thank you for watching.